Tozama ugogo nomkhulu salukasendoda lesugogo bathi nembatho mavula kuvalenze noma amadoda. From the previous videos, I've been asked by you guys for me to do a video because of kancane I've highlighted the issue of I've highlighted the fact ukuthi how can Ijoko can assist you. I thought it was a genuine gossip about it, but now you are exposing me. So, yes, I've spoken about Ijoko, and okay, d- don't don't go and look for the one that is inside the tin. I have the tin because collecting tins, it's my hobby. So I collect tins. It's my hobby from ever since I started working in 1999. I've been collecting tins of different brands and especially popular brands. So yes, guys, Joko, the tea, Joko tea, not the tea bags, the actual Joko, the one that Makai we used to use isefo, sisefe, masoipus and everything, besifa with teapot. That's a tea I'm talking about, not the tea bags. It can help in many things. It has many benefits. One, you can use it as your health, your general health use. If you have a problem of feeling as if you can vomit, some dizzy, nyana, and everything, this can assist you without a sugar. You just make 2 cups in the morning without a sugar, and it must be the first thing that you drink in the morning. Two, it can assist you in terms of fighting the spiritual attacks. It can assist you a lot. Coco, I'm not sleeping well in the evening. It can assist you. Coco, during the day, I feel drained and everything. Just a cup of coffee, sorry, the cup of Joko tea alone, without sugar, without milk, it's going to assist you a lot. Steaming with this tea is going to assist you a lot. Ukapa with this tea is going to assist you a lot. So if you can't afford to go to a healer, this is your healer. You can get yourself Joko tea and then you'll get help as soon as you can. It has many